Well, Julia, John, it's a pleasure to be here. What's relevant to all those 14 moonshots? Those are radical technologies which today are in the drawing board or under the radar, being developed and will change our lives. That's one category. The second category that are still small, but we believe that those 14 moonshots together are representing $6 trillion of market opportunities. We're thinking about, okay, let's take the internet before 2000. Let's take the smartphone before 2007 for the first iPhone and try to understand now, today, what will be the technologies which will change our life, that will have a need for them and are right now under the radar.
You do point out the pace at which the themes are transforming business is blistering, surpassing experts' forecasts by decades, because we tend to think linearly, but progress occurs exponentially. You do have some compound annualized growth rates. 6G is in the clear lead. I wonder, is that because it's the closest, or is there something else going on?
It's because the need is the biggest, and yes, it is the closest. And the interesting thing about those growth rates that you've mentioned is that we don't understand how big the need is for 6G today. We still are in the process that we're enrolling 5G. Most of the world do not have 5G right now, but the rate of growth that we're seeing in accumulated data right now is just mind-boggling. We're going to be in a position very soon, in a couple of years' time, that 5G, before it even been deployed yet, is just not going to be enough. So we believe that the growth rate of 6G is going to be starting in the next couple of years. We are generating 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day. Quintillion is 1,000,000 trillion bytes of data every day. This number is multiplying itself every 2 to 3 years. During the corona crisis, we all stay at home and increase data traffic even more. Plus, we have a lot more applications that are consuming more and more data. We don't understand that before the end of this decade, 5G is just not going to be enough. And if that's going to be the case, 6G will have to be deployed in probably 3 to 4 years. 5G is going to be probably the shortest lived G. It's fascinating. The number one technology, the revolution, 5G that everybody talk about, is probably going to be the shortest lived technology out there.